Battery's charged. And nothing. No light. Plug it. Nothing.
What? No Barbie?
Yep. Nothing you did.
Okay, Amazon. Usually you're not supposed to talk during these videos, but I have a little problem. So I'm up there working, taking the car stuff off, you know how it is. Why the freak? I can't get this out. I'm using black jaw pliers and it's stuck. I can't, like, it's stuck in there. Yeah. Let me zoom in. It's stuck. Trying to wait for it to focus. It is stuck in there. The drill works perfectly. The drill is perfect, but it is stuck in there. I can't get it out.
No quiero que salga mi can.
Ahí está.
¿Ya?
Ya.
Yeah.
And then if we hook the battery back up, it shows that it's charged. But it will not, it shows it's fully charged there. We're using the battery, it's fully charged. Hook it up. It will not work. It will not come on. And it shows us the battery's dead.